girl Pixel at Babyface Pixel, and today I fucking snapped on this super cute kawaii neon pink Valentine's Day look. So it was really easy to do and super fun, so continue watching this video. But before you do that, definitely hit the subscribe button and follow me on the gram for really fun looks and fit pics that I post. Alright, so I'm going to be using these 3 pink eyeshadows that I have in this Morphe palette. Everything that I am using will be listed in the description below. And honestly, I wish I had like some type of trick to tell you on how I apply my eyeshadow, but I just put it on as if I was going to put on any type of eyeshadow. So I start with the hot... This is not going to be helpful. I start off with the light pink color, and honestly these two look exactly the same, so I don't really see the difference, so I just mix them and I just go in, girl. But anyways, I'm just doing like a regular smoky eye eyeshadow, just working it in the outer corner and bringing it very, very far in. So anyways, how has everyone's new year been? My new year has been pretty good. So I went to India with my best friend Makeup by Sam, and I helped assist him on an amazing work trip. We did a bride's makeup in India, and it's gonna be on Netflix. So I'm really excited for that. But I landed from that amazing trip in India on the 31st, so I did get to celebrate the countdown here in San Diego. But you know how when you go on like a really beautiful trip and you come back home, you kind of get like post feels, like post-depression feels, or like let's say like you go to like a festival like Coachella and then you go back home and you're just like, I want to be back. So I was kind of sad that I was back home, and it was just weird because I was in a different part of the world and it was so beautiful. And when I got home, I felt like I needed to just be traveling more and doing something else. I just felt so moved by that. So this year, I want to do a lot of traveling. I want to go to more festivals too. I want to go to Lightning in a Bottle and stuff like that. I just want to have more fun this year. I just want to do things that are fun for me and just have a really good year. So yeah, after India, I learned that traveling makes me so happy. Like, it just gives me chills realizing that I'm in a completely different side of the world. Like, I'm just a small human minding my own business, and here I am just seeing more of the world, and I feel like there's so much for me to see. Like, I literally get chills talking about it. It's also a dream of mine to go to Paris, so I really, really want to save up and go to Paris because I'm just at the point where I'd rather spend my money on experiences than on items. But don't get me wrong, like I still want to get cute stuff, but I just definitely know that traveling makes me happy, and I want to do more of that in 2020. Okay, so I have that down, and now I am just gonna go in with a hot pink color and just build it up so it looks more smoky. Okay, so I just winged my eyeliner. I'm gonna put on mascara and fake eyelashes, and then we're gonna move on to the fun part. So back to what I was saying, another 2020 mindset shift that I really want to take into account is a lot of us have heard of the law of attraction. There's literally so many videos on YouTube about the law of attraction, but have you heard of the law of diminishing intent? Basically, it's another spiritual law that states the longer it takes for you to get started on something, it's less likely that you will even get started on it at all. So a lot of us, sometimes we have like this idea, like this project in our head, like, oh, I want to do that. And we start thinking about it way too much to the point where we like don't even get fucking started on it. And we're like, holy fuck, a lot of time has passed by and I never did that one thing that I've always been thinking about. Sis, that is called the law of diminishing intent. And that's something that I am definitely guilty of doing. Also goes hand in hand with overthinking. So this year I want to do less thinking, more doing, because the law of diminishing intent is real. So anytime I have an idea or just want to do something, I want to act on it as quickly as possible. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, I put on my lashes and wow, lashes make such a difference. I saw this funny ass meme and it was like, sometimes you're not even ugly, you just don't have lashes on. And I was like, that's literally my life. So whenever I'm doing like a bold eyeshadow color and it's starting to look weird, I'm just like, wait until I put on eyelashes, it's about to look poppin'. Okay, so this is for the fun part. So if you have heart-shaped stickers, then get 2 of those. If not, I literally just made like DIY heart stickers out of tape, and I'm gonna put them on both of my cheeks. And now, oh my god, I really hope this turns out fire. We are gonna put pink eyeshadow around it and basically peel it off so that it reveals like a heart shape around the pink eyeshadow. Just watch. Okay, I really want to do fake freckles, but I feel like I don't have the right brush for it. So I'm going to use the end of my eyeshadow brush and use pomade. Oh my god, please turn out okay. I'm just going to go in. I'm going to wing it. Fuck. I feel like my pomade is old. Let's use my spoolie. Kind of works better. Okay. Oh, this is cute. And now for the big reveal. Cute. Okay, that's actually really cute. Aww. Wait, I actually love it. Okay, so that was my idea. Pretty much just a pink smoky eye, blush all over, fake freckles, and then do this heart shit and boom, Valentine's Day snatched. That was actually really easy. I think I like, oh my god, this is actually so cute. Okay, so I put the heart stickers back on because I decided that it needed to be like a little bit more in depth. So using the darker pink color actually made it contrast a lot better. So I'm really happy with how this looks. It looks so cute. It looks like an Instagram filter. Gonna set that shit, girl. And now it's time to flex.